So just everything is going wrong for Donald Trump. I think you're going to like this one. We talked yesterday about the great developments in terms of the coronavirus vaccine. The vaccine being developed by Pfizer was announced yesterday to have a 90% effectiveness in a large clinical trial, has not yet been peer reviewed, but it looks very good. Donald Trump immediately tried to attach his name to it, immediately tweeting in all caps, "Stock market up big, vaccine coming soon. Report 90% effective, such great news." Vice President Mike Pence also weighed in, and he just straight up tried to take credit for it. He tweeted, "Huge news. Thanks to the public-private partnership forged by Trump, Pfizer announced its coronavirus vaccine trial is effective, preventing infection in 90% of its volunteers." This is all made up. And in fact, it's such nonsense that Pfizer's head of vaccine research immediately clarified, "We took no money from Trump's so-called Operation Warp Speed." Katherine Jansen, head of vaccine research at Pfizer, told the New York Times, "We have never taken any money from the U.S. government." She also told the New York Times that Pfizer was never part of Operation Warp Speed. It's actually hilarious that Trump and Pence are trying to crowbar their way into this. And as reported by Bloomberg, quote, "Among the frontrunners, theirs is the only vaccine project that did not take funding from the White House-led Operation Warp Speed program to bolster research, development, or manufacturing." You almost start to feel just the tiniest bit sorry for these people, but we actually don't, because they keep insisting they won. But Biden did fraud and all this different stuff. No, that's not true. Okay, but now they say we got the vaccine done because we gave Pfizer money. Well, no, Pfizer didn't take any money from you. Okay, well, something, and they get nothing. There's actually even more hilarity to this, which is that this is really a German vaccine. Work on this vaccine started in Germany in January because the CEO of BioNTech, which is the partner company with Pfizer that developed the vaccine, the CEO of BioNTech read about the virus in The Lancet and realized this is going to be huge. So they immediately started working on the vaccine. Meanwhile, Trump in January was saying, "Oh, we've got this completely under control. It's one person from China. It's going to be fine." Trump saying was it March, 15 cases, or maybe even April, 15 cases will soon be zero. That's why this vaccine is now almost ready, because in Germany, when Trump was doing nothing, they started working on it. Donald Trump and Mike Pence are trying to take credit for a vaccine, but it was actually a vaccine developed in Germany by a German company founded by Turkish immigrants, produced in the U.S. by a company that took no money from Donald Trump's Operation Warp Speed. That's the truth. Don't let the door hit you on the way out, guys. We'll have continued coverage of the vaccine. Make sure you're following me on Twitter, where you can find me at Pakman. If you are anything like me, you probably aren't thrilled with the idea of going into a doctor's office right now. And thankfully, there's a practical and affordable way to take control of your health and get personalized care from the comfort of your home. It's a service called SteadyMD. They're one of our sponsors. You take a quiz, you get matched with a licensed primary care physician who understands your health needs. You have a 1-hour video call with your new doctor. You establish a meaningful relationship with them. And after that, your doctor is available to you anytime by text, phone, or video chat. This is not a random doctor on call. Each doctor at SteadyMD has a limited number of patients, so they actually have time to listen to you. You get the personal attention that you deserve. They can do almost everything an in-person doctor can do: perform medical evaluations, talk to you about health concerns, send prescriptions to your home or local pharmacy, and anything they can't do online, they'll quickly set you up with an in-person provider to do, things like blood tests, as an example. You don't need insurance. It's only $99 a month with no other fees or copays. There are so many practical advantages to using SteadyMD for primary care, and it's also so much more affordable. Go to steadymd.com/Pakman to take the free quiz, see which doctor is right for you. I took their quiz. They matched me with a doctor who specializes in my particular health needs and situation. The doctor they gave me is a really perfect fit for me and my medical needs. There's no risk, no commitment to get started. Just click the link right underneath this video.